15 creative outdoor activities for kids. DIY water wall creation. Attach funnels, tubes, milk jugs, cut open, and other recyclables onto a pegboard outdoors to build a water wall where kids can pour water through different channels for endless fun. Community Cleanup Challenge. Involve children in an eco-friendly activity by organizing a community cleanup day where they collect litter from parks or playgrounds while learning about environmental responsibility. Stargazing Night Adventure. Lay out blankets at night with binoculars or telescopes handy for stargazing sessions. Teach kids basic constellations using stargazing apps as guides. Giant Bubbles Extravaganza. Mix up homemade bubble solution in a kiddie pool using dish soap and glycerin. Use hula hoops or large bubble vans for massive bubbles that will amaze everyone. Build fairy gardens. Create magical miniature gardens using twigs, moss, small stones, tiny figurines, or shells found during nature walks. Bug Safari Adventure. Equip kids with magnifying glasses or bug-catching jars, with air holes, for an insect safari in your yard or nearby park. Encourage them to observe bugs closely without harming them. Water balloon volleyball. Using towels as slingshots, teams toss water balloons back and forth over a net or makeshift rope. The goal is to catch the balloon without it bursting. Solar-powered science experiments. Use the power of the sun to teach science concepts. Create solar ovens out of cardboard boxes lined with foil and cook simple snacks like s'mores or nachos together. DIY butterfly garden. Plant native flowers that attract butterflies in your backyard. Teach kids about different butterfly species while watching them flutter around the garden they helped create. Nature journaling. Give each child their own journal where they can sketch plants, write about their outdoor adventures, or press leaves and flowers they find during walks. Mud kitchen play. Designate an area where kids can play with mud and water using old pots, pans, and utensils to cook. Let their imaginations run while creating mud pies or soups decorated with leaves and flowers. Camping in your backyard. Set up tents in the yard and enjoy a night under the stars. Add classic camping elements like roasting marshmallows over a fire pit or grill and storytelling under the moonlight. Outdoor art studio. Turn your backyard into an art studio. Use natural materials such as leaves, sticks, and flowers as paintbrushes or tools for printmaking. Chalk murals on pavement are another creative option. Backyard obstacle course. Use household items like pool noodles, hula hoops, and jump ropes to design an obstacle course in your backyard. Time the kids as they complete the course and encourage them to beat their own records. DIY nature scavenger hunt. Create a scavenger hunt tailored to your local environment. Include items like a pine cone, a yellow flower, or a bird feather. Add riddles or clues to make it even more exciting.